guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to jump on a horse. This is the first way, 1 inch start. Yay! We did it! Bye-bye, Toddy. Second way, no 1 inch start.
What are you...
Did it! Stop it! Stop moving! No 1 inch start.
And so what did you say was the difference when you couldn't get on and versus you could get on?
The difference when I couldn't get on and could get on, that when I got on, I didn't like that, with my chest, but because I didn't want to start jump, but when I jumped, I went like this.
So you gotta put your chest against him?
No, you can't.
Oh, you can't put your chest against him.
See, I'm not against them. And then, if I'm not against them, and get on, like I'm doing right now, you better not go. You gotta hit me with your